In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a webinar using Zoho Meeting. Whether you're a business professional, a teacher, or simply someone wanting to share your expertise with a wider audience, understanding how to set up a webinar can be incredibly beneficial. So, settle in as we walk through this process step by step to ensure that when your audience tunes in, everything runs seamlessly. To get started, we're going to navigate to the Zoho Meeting platform. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you want to do is click on the Webinars option, which will guide you to a dedicated section for managing all your webinar activities. This will be the primary space where you set the foundation for your upcoming event. Now you should see a button labeled Schedule. Click on this as it's the gateway to planning out the finer details of your session. Following that, there's an option marked Live Webinar. Clicking here will allow you to focus on creating an event that happens in real time, allowing for viewer interaction. Next, look for the Schedule a Webinar button. This is where the magic begins. Clicking here will take you into a new realm of details that define your webinar's basic framework. Start by entering a captivating title. The title of your webinar is crucial as it sets the tone and grabs the attention of potential participants. Once the title is set, move on to the description. This section should succinctly cover the main topics you'll be discussing and any key takeaways for your participants. Remember, a well-crafted description can significantly increase attendance. After outlining your description, decide on the type of webinar you want. While you can choose a live webinar, there's also the option for an on-demand webinar. On-demand webinars provide the flexibility for your audience to view the content at their convenience, which can broaden your viewer base. Now, it's essential to set the scheduling details. Start by selecting a start date for your webinar. Choose a date that accommodates your target audience's time zone and availability. This is followed by setting an end date, which will typically match the day of the start but gives you control over multiple sessions if necessary. Time zone settings are up next, so ensure you're set correctly to avoid any scheduling mishaps. This helps in global audience reach and makes sure everyone is on the same page about the start time. Before finalizing, you might want to upload any pertinent video files that will be used during the webinar. This could be a pre-recorded segment, a demonstration, or anything that supports the webinar content. It's essential to have everything ready to keep your presentation smooth. Finally, with all the details filled in and double-checked, click on Schedule. This last step saves all your settings and schedules your webinar. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your webinar using Zoho Meeting. Now focus on promoting your webinar to attract an audience and prepare to engage them with your content. With this step-by-step guide, you are equipped to set up a webinar that not only meets your needs but exceeds the expectations of your audience. Thank you for following along, and I hope your next webinar is a great success.